everybody, and welcome to my Week in the Life album walkthrough week. So all this week, I'm going to be sharing with you my Week in the Life albums, the ones that I've completed. This, I think, is my very first one back in 2018. And then each day I'm going to post, I think at the very beginning of this week, you might see two because I'm a couple days late in getting these posted. But I just want to walk you through my Week in the Life. I am working on this current year's Week in the Life. And so let's just get started and see what I've done. A lot of these albums, so I have a couple that are these Stampin' Up! 6x8 albums that I've covered. I like to do that. And then I have a couple albums that are Ali Edward albums. And then I have one album that's a 9x12 album. So let's take a look at this. So this was I'm pretty sure this was the first year that I did this. Week in the Life is a project hosted by Ali Edwards. And you basically take a week and then you take a bunch of photos and then you put an album together, and it's called Week in the Life, and you do a whole bunch of documenting. This album is, you can see the rings are a little bit coming apart, and this one is very, very full. That's the only thing is that typically I've taken so many photos that my albums are pretty thick. So this year I did vellum dividers. This was 2018. I did it at the very beginning of May. I used my Cricut and I cut out lots of different things. This is word art by Ali Edwards. And then it looks like I used a combination of paper that I had in my stash. I didn't use a kit. And you're going to see that there's spots in here that don't have anything. So like this doesn't have anything. I use a lot of word phrase stickers. It looks like I used hearts, probably as a element. And then I used these cards here. Lots of shots of the living room and laundry. The kids were so tiny. The kitchen, just everyday things. Some handwriting. This one looks like it's mostly this is when I was doing in-person classes. My planner system is pretty much the same as it was then. I was using my Fitbit and we were having like a walking contest with like the different ones of us. That's fun to see. Text messages. I don't know who this was. Oh, it was a text from Chris. Oh, I loved this card. Oh, the kids were so little. Tuesday. I love the dividers that I did. This is so fun to see. Different things we were buying. Oh, that was a fun idea where I just took a photo of some of the things that we purchased. I should have done that this last time and just included. Oh my gosh, my office was so different. Then you can see like it's another blank writing on my photos. That was fun. I think Andrew was doing homework. I miss my couches. A big photo of Violet. That's fun. And I used that as a divider for that day. Some years I'm much better than other years at actually like getting photos, like setting my camera up and getting this photo of me straightening my hair. I loved this. So I did this little heart, and then there's a receipt. Oh, for the flower farm. So we must have bought, yeah, we must have bought flowers, and we were doing stuff in the yard. I love on like the middle of the week, I love doing these little tiny 2x2 pockets. That's always really fun. I don't know what this was. It looks like it was a text of something. So fun. Oh, this was, I set my camera up to get a photo. I love that I did this. Again, I'm not always great about doing that. The kids going to school when they were all in elementary school. I love that. Laundry. So this is really, you can see it's just like everyday stuff, editing and doing work. This is when I was doing Stampin' Up! Full time and I had in-person classes. My craft room before I did a major reorganization. Some stuff in the news. I always try to capture that. The kids, okay, so this is so fun. So during this week in the life, obviously, like the kids are out here, you can see like there's toys and there's blankets and they're playing and they're watching movies and, you know, they're watching TV and there's hair stuff out and there's all this stuff. Our life is not like this anymore. Like our kids are older. We don't really have this stuff that happens in the living room. So this is so fun to see that this at one time was the way our everyday life looked. Another big photo outside, hanging out, the kids in the living room. Then Friday, usually by the weekend, I'm starting to lose, I'm starting to lose the ability to like take a bunch of photos. Oh, I love this out the front window. I love photos that look out the window or look in the window. It's just one of my favorite ways. Andrew's room looks so different. This is so fun. I forgot I had plants in the window. And then like this little detail, this little blue bird, this is a blue crystal bird that my grandma for years and years and years had in her kitchen window. I mean, I remember it when I was a little girl. She had it in her kitchen window. And when my grandma passed away, my mom gave that crystal bird to Violet, and we keep it in our window in the summer and the spring. And then in the fall and winter, Violet keeps it in her room and keeps it safe for the fall and the winter, and then we put it back, and it just is a fun reminder of my grandma. So that's fun to see. Doing Stampin' Up!, being a full-time Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I was prepping catalogs. Fun fact, that was my favorite catalog of all time. I loved the cover of that catalog. And then Pep Club, this was our little group from the elementary school. Parents, Pep Club is it's parents. I don't know, it's the parents club that plans all the fundraisers and does all the things. I don't know what it stands for. Message I got from Becky Higgins in my Instagram. So that was really fun. Friends over, again, the living room. Gosh, we had the living room has so much more stuff in it now. Podcasts I was listening to. Oh, I forgot that I listened to this podcast. This was a good podcast. So then Saturday, I loved these dividers. These were a fun way to do dividers. And this was before I would really buy product. I don't really think I was buying a lot of Allie Edwards products back then. Now I have a ton of it. And then I loved these hearts, doing that. Again, some blank pieces, some crafting. And then into Sunday, which is the last day. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like Violet. This must have been church. more laundry. I see like throughout this album, I have so much laundry everywhere all the time. It's not like that much anymore. And then this was, oh, Spanish classes. Kayla was doing Spanish classes. And then, oh, this one is fun. This was church. This was really fun. Andrew's so little. And then this is really fun. So this photo here, this is the church where my husband and I got married. And for our wedding, we have a photo of me in my wedding dress and him in his tux. And we're standing on this light post and like leaning out. And we have this wedding photo. And I got a photo for that week of me with all the kids. We also have one of our whole family a couple years later, but this was really fun to get this photo. We must have done something. It must have been like maybe Vacation Bible School or something that we went to, and I asked somebody to snap a photo of us all on here because I have that photo of our wedding. And then that is it. I have a piece of vellum in the back, and so that is 2018. Again, I think this was the first year that I did. I'm so bummed this album is those. Sometimes if that happens, you can pinch them together and like sometimes that will fix it. It doesn't look like it's fixing this one. So I'll have to be careful when I put that back to when I close it. But that was my very first week in the life. And I will say that whenever you're doing a new project, the first time around, you're going to learn a lot of things. And so I learned a lot of things from this one. And then we'll dive into the very next one. I've been doing this since 2018. And I only missed, I'm pretty sure I only missed last year. So I'm pretty sure that last year was the only year that I didn't do it. So make sure you stop back by tomorrow here at my channel and you'll see my next week in the life album. Or if you're brand new to my channel, you can go back and see the flip throughs. And I appreciate you being here, and I will catch you in my very next video. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out if you would like. If you remember watching this video and you've missed any of the member videos, or you're new, you can go back and watch older member videos if you would like. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I will catch you in my very next project.